So just taking little measurements and trying to make sure that I got what I need for this piece. Picked up the metal, saw that in my last video hopefully. And I made a little template. Gave me a little wiggle room. Brought that over and transferred it to a piece of metal here. Gave myself a little extra for folding. So we'll cut the corners out. You look right here. We're gonna cut this little piece right here out. That should make it easier. Fold up this way, and then fold up that way. That's the plan. So here's the piece I formed up so far. I just cut the corners out on all four corners, kind of to make a little notch out, kind of right here and right here. And then I bent the flanges up. So what I did there was I just chucked it up in the vise and then used a piece of wood to hammer it down to a 90. And now I'm checking to make sure I'm fitting. So initially it looks pretty good. Just gotta figure out where I'm gonna bend that top piece and how I'm gonna bend it. I think I'm gonna chuck it up in the vise and take it a little at a time with a pair of pliers. See if I can't get it as close to that line as I can. Looks like it's good both ways. I'm sure there'll be some micro adjusting and welding up the corners and then pop it in. So here's where I started. I just had the end that I had bent right here off the edge of the vise, just barely. And then chucked it up really nice and tight and started with the 4x behind it and just took it down like that. So I got it flat. Got all three sides done just like that. And I got this last piece to go. So this part I kind of bent up with my vice grips to about a 45. And now I'm using the edge of the vise to hammer it out. Try to get a little closer to the corner. It looks pretty good. I'll try and see if that fits in. That's a pretty close fit. I think I can open that up just a tad bit. Tack weld the corners. I think I'll do that from the outside. Yeah, should be good to go. I'll have to adjust the edges a little bit to where they're all pretty much the same dimension. Obviously I left myself a little extra there, so, but another piece done. Another repair almost complete. Real field temp tomorrow is supposed to be 101. Don't think tomorrow will be the day where I put this in. All right, enough for now. Hammer forming metal 101. Tex, this is Tex. He's my buddy. You love me? You love me? Good boy. He's my partner in crime. He checks on me every so often to make sure I'm good. He was a rescue, so good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. Yeah. All right, you ready to go back in? I think I'm done for the evening, but he doesn't like the noise-making machines, so when I start firing up tools, he wants to go back in the house. He'll hang out other times, and he sure does enjoy his treats.